Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1/18 diecast model of Laferrari by Bburago Signature Edition. So if you are not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the model itself. If you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description. You can buy this model from ebay.com for $40 to $60. And if you are not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and you can also follow me on Instagram at Miniature Automobiles for daily updates. Okay guys, so hope you have enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.